National Weather Service.
An ice jam
The
break-in
National Weather
East
Service
Central
in
Grundy
Chicago has
County
issued
in
a flash
northeastern
flood
Illinois.
warning for
West
an
Central
ice
Will
jam
County
break-in
in
in
northeastern
Central
Illinois
Grundy
until
County
9
in
p.m.
northeastern Illinois.
At
West
4:23
Central Will County
p.m.,
in northeastern Illinois until 9 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., Emergency Management and River Gauge reported an ice jam on the Kankakee River downstream of Wilmington near Interstate 55 has broken up, causing flash flooding downstream. Hazard: flash flooding from an ice jam. Source: Emergency Management reported. Impact: flooding of areas near and downstream of the ice jam. The nearest downstream area is Felon Acres. Flooding is occurring along the Kankakee River. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. LMZ